Yay, today's Science Day! Hello, Kids Aha Cinema. Hi, 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 hi. I am Keena, and I want to say welcome. Come on in the room. I'm Penny, and I'm Tori. Yes, dolls, we are in for a treat today. Today is Science Day in Kids Aha Cinema. Can you say Science Day? Science Day, Science Day, Science Day. That's right, today is Science Day. We're going to be doing this amazing experiment today. So, dolls, if you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, okay? Give us a thumbs up because you're not going to want to miss this treat today, okay? It's going to be amazing. So, go ahead and subscribe and let's get started. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, are you excited too, Penny? I'm excited. I'm so excited, girl. I'm like, what kind of exciting experiment this is going to be? Because I am just excited. Oh my goodness. I love when we do stuff like this. Okay, dolls, let's get started. Who doing the experiment? That would be me. I am Tori. Hello there, Kids Dolls Cinema. I am Tori, and I will be doing the experiment today. And oh my gosh, you are in for a treat. It is going to be amazing. Let me tell you about some of the materials that you are going to need. Oh, don't fall, Penny. Don't fall. Oh my gosh, she's falling. One moment. Cut, cameraman. Cut. Okay, we're back up. We're back up. Okay. So yes, what you're going to need is you're going to need the following. First, you're going to ask an adult to help you. Yes, kids, always make sure you have adult supervision when doing anything that is related to science, okay? So go ahead and make sure you have an adult's permission first. And then next, what you're going to need is you are going to need a glass plate. Make sure it's not your mama's fancy plate, though. But get a glass plate. You see here, I have this glass plate right here. Boom, chaka, wow, wow, wow. So yes, get a glass plate. Then next, you are going to need an erasable marker. Make sure it is the marker that erases, though, kids. You do not want a permanent marker. Make sure you get a marker that erases, okay? And let me go and show you mine. Mine is coming up here. Whoa. You're going to need an erasable marker. Look. Woo, I got an erasable marker. It says dry erase marker. So, kids, make sure you go and get a dry erase marker. Then, next, you're going to need a cup of water. I've already filled my cup up with water. And so, go ahead and get you a cup of water. You don't need much, but you are going to need water. All right, and once you have all of these supplies, we'll go ahead and get the magic beginning. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Whoa, I am so excited. Are you ready, dolls? Are you ready? Cameraman, back up just a tad bit. I feel like I'm all on the camera. I mean, can you see me? I mean, I feel like you see me way up close and personal. Cameraman, let's back up just a little bit. What about you, Kids Aha Cinema? You think that's better? Give me a thumbs up. You think that's better? Yeah. So let's get started on this experiment. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a stick figure. Do you dolls know what a stick figure is, kids? You know what a stick figure is? Well, let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and get mine drawn so you can take a look and see. One moment while I turn my camera. So we are ready. Are you guys ready? Say, I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Say, I'm ready. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to get our dry erase marker. If you want to put gloves on, you can, but it is optional. I'm going to wear my gloves, and we are going to get started, okay? So you're going to go ahead and get your marker. And I think today we're going to draw a stick figure. Do you guys know what a stick figure is? Well, today I'm going to show you. What you're going to do is make a circle. Woo, make a line, make an arm, another arm, some legs, and another leg, and make sure everything is connected, all looking all pretty and dolled up and stuff. Okay, so this is our little stick figure. We are going to name him, what's a good name, kids? His name is going to be Johnny. Johnny, I like Johnny, yes. So Johnny is going to be the name. Say Johnny. Everybody say hi, Johnny. Welcome to Kids Aha Cinema. Hi, Johnny. Welcome to Kids Aha Cinema. Now, what we're going to do next, kids, is going to be amazing. We're going to get a water. We're going to get some water, okay? So I have my cup here. I have my little cup here. And then what we're going to do is going to put some water on our little cup. Oh, no, don't me fall. Okay. I almost fell. I'm okay. I'm back up. Thanks for holding me, Penny. That was close. All right. So, yes, we're going to get our water, and we're going to put some water in it. We're going to watch Johnny move, dolls. Look. Whoa. Can you see it? Whoa. Look at that. Look. Johnny has now distorted. Dancing, so can you see how water has made the image to change? Oh my gosh. Now let's try it again. But let's not add as much water. So one moment while I go and dump this out. And we're going to try it again, okay? Is that cool with you guys? Yeah? Okay, kids, doll cinema. Let's try this again and again and again. So yes, on our experiment today, we're going to draw another stick figure. All right. Are you dolls ready? Say, I'm ready, 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 ready. Okay, so you ready? Oh my gosh, I almost fell again. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm here. I'm back. All right. Let's lights, camera, action. And once again, we'll draw another one. Maybe draw a little smaller this time. You draw a circle. Then you draw a line. Then you draw some arms. Then you draw another arm. And you gotta give him some feet, right? Gotta give him some feet, give him some feet, give him some feet. Woo! Now let's try this again. Are you ready? If you're ready, say I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Say I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? If so, give me a thumbs up. Are you ready? Are you ready? I hope you're ready because I'm ready. Now we're gonna try a little bit less water this time because I think we used a little bit too much. So we're gonna do a dabble this time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, as you can see, it's moving. It's moving. Gosh. Did you see it? It's moving. Oh my goodness. It's moving. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's moving. The legs are moving. Oh. The head. Oh, it's moving. Whoa. Whoa. Can you see how the water is causing it to move? Wow. Now let's try it again. Ooh. That didn't take long at all this time. So we're going to add a little bit of water this time. This time we're just going to move the plate. We're not going to add too much water. Just going to move the plate and see what happens. Okay. Okay, so we only use a little bit of water this time. We're going to move the plate. Whoa. 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 He's dancing, 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 dancing. Whoa. 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 Oh. Whoa. Can you see what water has done to our stick figure? Oh my gosh. And of course, this time we're going to try to do it with something else besides a stick figure. Let's do a, You want to try a thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up. Let's try a thumbs up. Let's do a chicken. Let's do a chicken. Let's do a cow. Let's do a cow. Let's do a cow. Okay, so we're going to do a little animal this time. Okay? Animal. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was this weird looking animal. E-I-E-I-O. With a roof here and a roof there. I'm not sure what kind of animal this is we're doing, but let's just have some fun. How about that, kids? So once again, we get our water. And let's see our roof animal. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Now let's get our plate and let's move it. Whoa. 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 He's moving. You see his eyes are moving. Whoa. Oh, look. Okay. Whoa. Can you see the movement? Whoa. Our animal's moving. Do you see it? Whoa. Oh, look. Oh, his tail. His ears. Ah. Wow. Whoa. Look at our animal. He has moved. All with just a little bit of a dry erase marker and a little bit of water. Oh my gosh, Kids Doll Cinema. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making this incredible video with you y'all today. If you haven't already, please be sure to go ahead and like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to tune in for our next amazing science adventure, because you never know what we're going to do in Kids Doll Cinema. We do all kind of stuff, so go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Toodles!